Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make winter's special delightful delicacy carrot and radish paratha. Vitamin A, iron, antioxidants, protein, energy, fiber loaded, diabetic and PCOD friendly. But before I tell you the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Ignite the darkness of our assumptions and presumptions. Bless us with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity, true knowledge, deep wisdom and far-sighted vision. Now for the recipe. Garden fresh carrot and radish along with their leaves, medium-sized onion, green chilies, ginger and cilantro or parsley or both. Now peel the carrot and the radish. Once done, grate the carrot and the radish and the ginger. Now, once done, sprinkle rock, pink, Himalayan or any natural salt and mix. And squeeze this carrot, radish and ginger. Now squeeze as hard as possible. And this water is not to be used. Now add hand-on leaves of carrot, radish, cilantro or parsley or both along with onion and green chilies. There. Now mix gently. Now for some spices, add carom seeds, red chili, coriander powder, mango powder, cumin powder. Mix well the carrot and radish paratha stuffing. This, remember, is the stuffing. Do not add salt. Add salt only when you are ready to cook. Add black salt or any natural salt and mix well. Mix well. Now, taste to add any corrections if required, if any. None at all. Lay the carrot and radish paratha stuffing. In the meantime, the hot plate gets hot and really hot. Roll it into a ball and flatten it. Sprinkle flour and flatten it. There. That looks nice, isn't it? Now remember, Punjabi paranthas are best cooked in desi ghee, but you can use oil or butter also. But I will suggest desi ghee. Now smear desi ghee, don't apply, smear on one side and flip. Now smear desi ghee, drizzle desi ghee and flip the carrot and radish paratha till both sides are evenly and equally well cooked. Continue flipping. Both should be equally browned and equally crisp and equally cooked. Now, there we are. This is what it looks like. And now, serve the carrot radish paratha with curd, raita, pickle, vegetable, curry or a dollop of butter, preferably homemade, and with masala tea. That is a must.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.